Today we're featuring a 2015 Jeep Renegade Latitude. It's got 28,000 miles on it. It's black in color. It's got a clean CARFAX One-Owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Start here on the driver's side. Everything looks good here on the driver's side. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. All right, everything's in good shape here. Thing I can see is just a couple little smudges right back here on the back bumper. All right, does have rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks good here. Okay, once again, it's a 15, 28,000 miles on it, clean CARFAX, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the beige and black door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It does have beige cloth seating. The black headrest, kind of got the black trim on it there. Driver seat's in great shape, does come with the keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat looks good. All right, does have center console storage, got your USB port in there. It is an automatic, got auxiliary USB and power outlet right down here. Climate control area here. Got your AM FM radio, backup camera, and we'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel with cruise control. Then you got your steering wheel audio and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 28,068 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, we'll go ahead and show you the radio display. All right, go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, it's got the guidelines on there as well. Make our way down here to the climate control area. And once again, got your power outlet, USB and auxiliary there. Okay, let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back seat. Right, door panels back here look good. Back seat cloth's in great shape. All right, go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, it is front wheel drive. Okay, it's just a two-wheel drive. Interior's in great shape. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. All right, carpet back here nice and clean. All right, got your spare tire underneath there. It's going to be on the bottom side. Let's take a look. No, I don't see. Let's see, I don't think it has a spare. All right, there's no spare tire in here. The back seat, there's a ton of room. All right, carpet's in great shape. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. All right, tires are in great shape, plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2015 Jeep Renegade Latitude, 28,000 miles, clean CARFAX, one owner. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.